Package length, 2.54 centimeters. Package width, 7.366 centimeters. Package height, 8.89 centimeters. Product type, sporting goods. Sport type, bowling. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent thumb tape. This is a big improvement from Storm's previous version. Tape is easy to apply and adjust if needed. I've bowled 8 game tournaments and I never had to change it out for another piece. Great balance between staying on your thumb during your throw, but also easy to peel off when you're finished. They offer 3 levels of release speed, with slow being more rough of a surface, medium being slightly smoother and fast being the smoothest. I find the fast one to be best for me since I have high rev rate and ball speed and like to get the ball off my thumb faster. They do offer a small pack of all 3 too, so you can find the one that works for you. I highly recommend using this tape to help keep a more consistent release through your set. I like putting mine halfway down my thumbnail. It also does a great job of protecting the outside of your thumb from rubbing on the ball over time, thus preventing irritation. This tape is always in my accessory bag. Great price for the amount of tape you get too.